If e-adjectives made sense to you, then na-adjectives surprise you. Hello minasan, konnichiwa, this is trilingojapanesesensei. In this video, we are going to see about the list of na-adjectives needed absolute for beginners. Let's get into the video without further wait. Amari. Amari. Amari means not much. The next one, ikaga. Ikaga. Ikaga means how about? Ikaga desho ka? Like that. The third one, iya. Iya. Iya means disagreeable. Iya des. Iya des means I don't agree to this. The fourth one, iro iro. Iro iro. Iro iro means various. The fifth one, okina. Okina. Okina means big. The sixth one, onaji. Onaji. Onaji means same. Onaji desu ne. Onaji desu ne means, is it not the same one? It's a casual representation when we are discussing with our friends. The next one, kirai. Kirai means dislike. Even though this word ends with e, it is not an e adjective, rather it is non-adjective. Please make a specific note. These are the confusing patterns during the exam. The next one, kirei. Kirei. Kirei means clean or beautiful. This also ends with e, but it is rather a non-adjective. The next one, kekko. Kekko. Kekko means nice or it's enough. Kekko this, which means yeah, it's fine like that. The next one, genki. Genki. Genki means healthy. O genki desu ka? How are you? The 11th one, konna. Konna means like this. The 12th one, shizuka. Shizuka. Shizuka means peaceful. Shizuka na machi desu ne. It's a peaceful city. The 13th one, jouzu. Jouzu. Jouzu means skillful. Anohito wa jouzu desu ne. He is skillful. 14th, jobu. Jobu. Jobu means durable. It's about the quality of any material. 15th, ski. Ski. Ski means liking something. Pizza ga ski desu. I like pizza. The next one, daijobu. Daijobu. Daijobu means okay. Daijobu desu ka? Which means are you okay? The 17th one, daisuki. Daisuki. Daisuki means very likable. The 18th one, taisetsu. Taisetsu. Taisetsu means importance. Taisetsu na shiryo desu. This is an important document. The 19th one, taihen. Taihen. Taihen means very. For example, if you commit any mistake in the office environment, taihen shitsurei shimashita, which means I am extremely sorry. The another meaning of taihen is difficult. It may be used for the people also. Taihen aito desu ne. That guy is very difficult. The 21st one, taksan. Taksan. Taksan means many. Taksan arimasu ne. There are many items. The 22nd, chisana. Chisana means small. The 23rd, Donna. Donna means what kind. Donna hito desu ka? What kind of a person he is. 24. Nigiyaka. Nigiyaka. Nigiyaka means crowdy. Feeling happy when the crowd is more, then you have to use nigiyaka. If you are not comfortable, then kondeimasu. Komo means the feeling is not good. Nigiyaka means you have a good feel, which means during any festival, if people are gathering to a place, then we can say nigiyaka. You doesn't have any place to stand in the train, then you can use densha ga kondeimasu. Hope you can understand the difference between these two. Let's go to the 25th one. Hima. Hima. Hima means free. Hima desu. I am free now. 26th one. Heta. Heta is opposite of jozu, that is unskillful. Please be very careful when you are using the word heta to anyone, as it is a very strong word in Japan. The 27th one. Benri. Benri. Benri means convenient. Hikoki yori shinkansen no hou wa benri desu, which means I am feeling very comfortable and it is very convenient for me to use Shinkansen instead of aeroplane. The 28th word, yume. Yume. Yume means famous. Here also it ends with I. Invariably it is not a E adjective, rather it is a na-adjective. Yume na hito desu. He is very famous or she is very famous. The 29th one, rippa. Rippa means splendid. 30th one, anzen. Anzen. Anzen means safe. Nihon wa anzen desu ne. Japan is very safe. I hope you have enjoyed thoroughly throughout the video for learning about the 30 basic na-adjective words. Here is a trick where we can convert E adjectives to na-adjectives. Let's see the steps. Take any E adjectives. Remove the letter E at the end of the word. Replace it with na. Then it will become na-adjective. Whatever the grammatical rules which are applied for na-adjectives will still be applied for this converted word also. For example, let's take one E adjective, oki. Oki means big. Apply the rule. Remove the E, add na, which means okina. Okina means na adjective. Oki means E adjective, but both are having a same meaning. When you are using these two words in a sentence, you have to apply the exact rules, grammatical points to make a meaningful sentence. Thank you. I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to trilingojapanesesensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. Mite kurete arigatou.